Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam and we're getting ready to make chicken chili. It's quick and easy. 20 minutes and you're done. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Make sure to turn on the notification bell, set it to all, so you'll always get my recipes every time I upload one. And then just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. We are back and it's time for us to go over our ingredients. And remember guys, I will always put the exact measurements and ingredients down in the description. But let's start off with the star of the dish, our chicken. What makes this 20 minutes? Because we use leftover chicken. You can use any kind of chicken you want. You can use rotisserie chicken if you just want to pick one up. If you have one, you can use baked chicken. You can even use fried chicken. Just make sure you take off any skin and batter. Chop it up, there's your chicken. Quick, simple, and easy. We also have some tomato paste that we'll be putting in. We have our cumin. This is an onion that I've cut up, as well as our chili powder. A little green pepper. I have green and red pepper. You can just use green pepper if you want. A little onion powder. Now I'm using navy beans simply because I like them. These have been rinsed and drained, but you can use kidney beans, red beans, any kind of beans that you like. I also have about one large, like beefsteak size tomato cut up here. Garlic powder, I'm going to use some minced garlic powder, and this is mesa flour. If you cannot find mesa flour or do not have mesa flour, you can simply use some cornmeal. Our beef broth and cocoa powder, unsweetened cocoa powder. Whatever you change in this recipe, whatever you do, do not omit the cocoa powder. It is essential to make it taste like restaurant chili. Okay, let's go on over to the stove and get this chili made. Now the first thing we want to do is saute our onions and green pepper. I'm going in with just about a tablespoon of oil. You don't want a lot because you don't want greasy chili. You want to saute your green peppers and onions for just a couple of minutes until they start to soften up a little bit. Okay, now we're going to go in with about a spoonful of our garlic. Give this a minute to become fragrant. Now we want to add in our tomatoes. Go ahead and add in your onion powder. Chili powder. And cumin. Now we're going to add in our tomato paste. Give that a stir. Go in and season with salt and pepper to your taste. I'm using Himalayan salt, black pepper. If you want to put some chili peppers in your chili at this point in time, go ahead and do so now. I am not putting any hot peppers in my chili. My husband doesn't care for spicy food, so the spice from the seasonings will be enough for us in this dish. Okay, now we're going to go in with our beans and our chicken. Go ahead, give it a quick stir. Then add in your beef broth. Now we're going to bring this up to a boil. Then we're going to reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. We are just about at that rolling, boiling point where we need to add in a few more ingredients. And I would like for you all to connect to me on IG, Instagram. I'll have that link in the description, but it's Cooking at Pam's Place on Instagram. And if you make this dish, would you tag me to the photo on IG so that I can post it to my story and celebrate you as well? Okay, we're going to add in our cocoa powder now. That's the ingredient that we don't want to forget. Give it a good stir. Give it that authentic restaurant taste. If you guys could smell this, oh my goodness. And at this point, before we add in our mesa flour, you want to go in and taste it. Make sure it's seasoned to your taste. So we're just going to give this a quick taste. Oh, Lordy, Lordy. Delicious. Oh my goodness. Now, while it is at a full boil, you want this boil to be rolling. We're going to add in our mesa flour. Just start to shake it in a little bit at a time and stir. Let it boil and stir all while you're adding this mesa flour in. This is your thickening. It also gives it that authentic flavor as well. Oh my goodness. Just keep it boiling. Now continue to let it boil for about 1 minute or so. Then we're going to reduce it and let it simmer until it's done. That's going to be about 10 minutes. Guys, we have been simmering for about 10 minutes. Total cook time has been 20 minutes. And doesn't this look amazing? Let's go over and get our bowl out so we can plate this up. Oh my goodness. Okay, we are all done. This is looking amazing. Let me go ahead and fill the bowl up. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share the video out, guys. Let everyone you know what Cooking at Pam's Place is doing over here. And please connect to me on Instagram. Cooking at Pam's Place over there as well. Now you can simply make some cornbread to go with this, but my family loves these soup and oyster crackers. So this is what we're having with ours. You can go in and garnish your chili with a little cheese if you like to have a little cheese on it, and a few scallions, green onions. Oh my goodness. Simply amazing. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.